Howdy ho, folks. Here's another unboxing. And this one, I know what is inside here. This is a lot I got on eBay, and I got a really good deal on it. And it's got some stuff I've been looking to get for a while, and I couldn't say no to the price that it came at. So I got it to add to my personal collection, but not just that. There might be some bonus material in here too, and I'm going to share all those details with you. Very well packed. Some nice packing peanuts. Just gonna remove those. You know how the static cling is. Okay. All right. Oh, and we're back. The hazards of using a miniature tripod while you're working on the same table in front of it. All right. Star Trek, 4 sets. Heck yeah. So, these are 4 sets of Star Trek trading cards. There is Star Trek 30 Years, Phase 2. So they came out with 2 different sets, and that's why they actually start numbering. This is something that trading card series used to do back in the day, where the numbering would continue. So Series 2 would start where Series 1 ended. So that's the case here. The first card in the set is 101, and it's about the Vulcans. Orion, so on and so forth, with the final checklist being 199. Oh, let me just move this over. Let me see if I can get a better shot on this without knocking the camera over. So, as you can see, got the full set of the 30th anniversary Phase 2. It's got characters from all of the shows and movies, recapping the 30th anniversary of Star Trek, which was made in, I want to say, 91? 96. Sorry, I was way off there. 96. So these are from 1996, which was Star Trek's 30th anniversary. And this is set 2. Okay? Then, also from 96, I've got trading card series of Star Trek The Next Generation Season 4. And again, the card numbering starts from 313 to 420. And that is not because it's not a complete set, but because the previous 3 seasons had their numbers, and this continues where those left off. And so 420, we've got Wesley Crusher. And starting at 313, the Locutus of Borg. And again, recapping the episodes and stories from Season 4 of Star Trek The Next Generation. Now, here is the ones that I've been really looking for a while. This is the Star Trek Master Series from I'm not even going to say. 93. Oh, I was right. Anyway, so here's our checklist. So they're all paintings, fine art, masterpiece paintings of characters and important moments from Star Trek over the years. Next Generation, original series, just all kinds of stuff. So I've been trying to grab these for a while and it's just never worked out. I've just missed a lot of opportunities to grab them. Look at, there's Scotty. Scotty, that's a definitely an uncommon image of Scotty. And so obviously the first card in the series is a painting of Kirk. Now, I'm going to be adding these to my personal collection. However, I want to show you something. And that is that this lot comes with 2 of the same set. 2 sets of the Star Trek Master Series from 1993. And so I already know what I'm going to do with one of these sets. And that is, I'm going to give it away to a viewer to celebrate the 2025 holiday season. I'm going to send you a 33-year-old set of Star Trek Master Series trading cards. And here is how you can qualify to win them. First, I want to mention that this video is brought to you by the Creators Union. And the Creators Union is actually my community that I started on Skool, which is skool.com. And the Creators Union, you can find by searching it on Skool, or you can just go to mikegagnon.ca. That's mikegagnon.ca. It'll take you right here. And all you have to do is be a member of the Creators Union. And guess what? That is free. You can join for free. Come on over, become a free member, and join the community. Now, if you're wondering what do I mean by community, well, we post, we share, we enjoy each other's victories, we support each other in our creative endeavors, and guess what? That is a free thing that you can do. It's just like Facebook or other social media, except for it doesn't have the bots, doesn't have the trolls, doesn't have the assholes. Just a positive, supportive community for creators. That's why it's called the Creators Union. People who are fans or creators of pop culture, whether that's comics, film, movies, books, whatever it is, trust me, there are people there that are supportive. You can also find plenty of stuff in the classroom, and there's lots of stuff there that is free to access, slightly gamified. So the more active you are, the more you post and more you respond to other members, the more stuff gets unlocked for you for free. So if you want to win a set of Star Trek Master Series trading cards, by the way, you can also quit Creators Union anytime. I don't know why you would, because it's better than other social media and it doesn't cost anything. But all you have to do is be a member, and in the near future, next week, I apologize, those are my dogs barking in the background. Anyway, keep an eye out, because it'll be an exclusive video that'll be posted on Creators Union first to find out if you won. All you gotta do is be a member. Every member is gonna be entered into a draw. It's gonna be picked by randompickerwheel.com, and whoever wins it, wins it. So it could be you. All you have to do is be signed up as a free member at Creators Union, which you can find at mikegagnon.com. Thank you very much. If you'd like to see more detail, more pictures of this set or other card sets or comics or anything, sound off in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you at the Creators Union.